NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, we will discuss about how to calculate the condition for the maxima or minima for the given function and what is the value for maximum and minimum for the given function. This concept is very important for those who are preparing for competitive examinations like IES, ISRO, TNEB, TRB, RRB, GATE, TANCETs and other examinations. So just refer this video. Note down these formulas in your formula notebook. When you are going to write examination, just refer this formula. Definitely you will get marks in these concepts. So I will discuss. So first we will discuss how to calculate the condition for the maxima and minima. Let us take a function y is equal to f of x. The condition for the maxima and minima will be the first derivative of this function is equal to 0. If the first derivative of the function is equal to 0, definitely the function will be a maxima or minima. How is that? This is a formula, but if you know the justification, then only the formula will be easily rememberable one. So we will discuss the justification. Let us take a function curve. What is the function? This function is not y is equal to x. If the function is y is equal to x, the curve will be a straight line. The function is y is equal to x square. How is that? Let us take 6 points. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Substitute here. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 16. Then substitute negative value. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 9. X is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 16. Mark these values, plot the graph, you will get this graph. Now find the first derivative. The first derivative means slope. For a straight line, the slope will be uniform constants, but here the slope will be changes. So first find the derivative for the left side. Slope means slope is the first derivative. First derivative or slope means change of y with respect to change of x. Here we will consider the discrete point. Here the change of y 9 to 16. So 9 minus 16. For the corresponding change in x, minus 3 to minus 4. So 9 minus 16 by minus 3 minus of minus 4, we will get the answer as minus 7. So negative value. First derivative for this side, we will get minus 5, then minus 3, then minus 1. So in the left side, the slope is negative. Now for the right side, find the slope here. Change of y with respect to change of x. 9 minus 16 by 3 minus 4, we will get 7 positive. So for the right side, all the points, the slope will be positive. It means that the slope here minus 7, then minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 0, then 1, 3, 5, 7. Just like the slope is increasing. The slope changes from negative to positive. So definitely at this minimum point, the slope will be 0. Slope means first derivative. So this is a minimum function. This is a minimum function. Let me take another one function, maximum function. This curve. What will be the function for this? Y is equal to minus x square. Because substitute this value, y is equal to x equal to 1 to 4 and x equal to minus 1 to minus 4. We will get like this. When x equal to minus 1, y will be minus 1. X equal to 2 minus 4. X equal to 3 minus 9. Substitute this point in this value and plot the graph. You will get this graph. The plot function is y is equal to minus x square. This is the maximum function because at a particular point the function value will be maximum. This is a minimum function because at a particular point it got the minimum value. So find the derivative for the left side. Change of y with respect to change of x. Here this point y changes minus 4 to minus 1. At the same time x changes minus to minus 1. So we will get the answer is 3. Here slope minus 9 to minus 4, we will get the slope is 5. Here we will get the slope is 7. So in the left side, the slope is positive slope. So now we will find the slope at the right side. Here change of y minus 4 to minus, change of slope minus 9 to minus 4. At the same time x changes from 3 to 2. So slope is minus 5. Here minus 5, minus 7. Here the slope is minus 3. Here slope is minus 1. In the right side, slope is negative slope. So the slope minus 7, the slope changes minus 7 to minus 5, then minus 5 to minus 3, then minus 3 to minus 1, then 1 to 0, then 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, just like that. That means slope changes from positive to negative. At the maximum point, the slope will be a 0, 1. So slope at both maximum point and minimum points are 0. That means first derivative is 0. There is no change. Change of y with respect to change of x. If the slope or first derivative is 0, definitely we may consider there is a maximum point or a minimum point. Now we have to find whether it is a maximum point or a minimum point. So if the second derivative is positive, the function will be a minimum point. If the second derivative is negative, the function will have a maximum. If d square by dx square is greater than 0, that means positive, the function is minimum function. If d square by dx square is less than 0, negative, the function will be maximum. How is that? Let us take the function y is equal to x square function. This is a minimum function. How do we know that? This is y square x square. The downward direction y is equal to minus x square. In the right side, x equal to y square. Here x equal to minus y square. This is a minimum function. We know that because there is a minimum point. If we differentiate this value, we will get first derivative value dy by dx is equal to x. The second derivative value is 2, positive. So for the minimum function, the second derivative is positive. Okay, if the second derivative is positive, the function will be minimum function. Let us take another one example. Y is equal to minus x squared. This is a graph. This is a maximum function because there is a maximum value. First derivative is equal to minus 2x. The second derivative is minus 2. If the second derivative is negative, definitely the function will be maximum function. This is a proof. Let me solve a problem. Here f of x is given. We have to find the minimum value of the function, not the condition for the minimum. We have to find the minimum value. Two type of problem we may expect in the concept. The first type is what is the condition for minima or maxima. The second type is what is the value for maxima or minima. Okay. So first we will find in what condition it is maximum value or minimum value. So take a first derivative. First derivative is equal to 0. Here, what is the first derivative? dy by dx will get, that means f plus of x. Okay, f plus of x, 3x square minus 12x plus 9. This constant value is equal to 0. This is the first derivative. Find the x value. This is a quadratic equation. We may use this formula minus 3 plus minus 4 b square minus 4a by 2a. Ax square plus px plus c. Here a means 3, p means minus 12, c means 9. Okay, substituting these values or simplify in other methods, we will get the answer as x equal to 1, 3. So from that we may conclude at x equal to 1 point or 3 point, there is a maxima or minima. In this condition, the function will be one maxima value or minimum value. Both may be a maximum value or both may be a minimum value, or either may be a maxima or minima. Okay. Now we will find whether it is a maxima or minima. Like second derivative. A second derivative means d square by dx square is equal to 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. At x equal to 1 point, substitute here, the d square by dx square is equal to 6 minus 12 is equal to minus 6, negative. At x equal to 1, the second derivative is negative. So it should be a maximum value. So at x equal to 1, the function is maximum. Now check at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3, the second derivative value, 6 into 3, 18 minus 12, 6, positive value. So it's a minimum value. At x equal to 3, the function is minimum value. This is a condition, but we have to find the minimum value of the function. So substitute this minimum condition in this equation, we will get the minimum value. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 6 x square plus 9 into 3 plus 15. The value will be 15. So the minimum value is 15. The condition for the minima is x equal to 3. Okay, this is the answers. Now do it yourself. I listed 3 questions that is asked in TRB GATE examinations. First question we have to find a condition for the maxima or minima. In the second question we have to find the minimum value. In the third question we have to find the maximum value. My answer is first question option C is correct. The second question answer is 100. The third question answer is 0. If you have any doubts or your answer is mismatched, post your doubts in our NCM Learning WhatsApp group. Watch our channel continuously. We have on websites. Continuously we are updating the websites. Continuously we are posting the materials. If you don't have any materials in our websites, don't feel, we will update soon. Keep watching our channel and websites. You will get the good marks in the competitive examination. Good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.